welcome back to my channel. This is Rebecca with Wax Talk with Rebecca. So if you are new to my channel, welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for showing up. We have a very short video for you today. I got a package today and it is my very first Scentsy buddy. Welcome, River the reindeer. So let's unbox her and I'll show you the cuteness. I am so excited. I don't know about y'all, but this is my very first Scentsy buddy. And look at her. Meet River. She is adorable. Oh my goodness. So let's take a look and start falling in love. Oh my gosh. She has an amazing coat on her. It is so soft. Oh my gosh. I cannot wait to sleep with her tonight. Yes, she will be the sleeping buddy with me. Oh my goodness. She's adorable. All right. So look, we got some cute little gold antlers up here. Her ears are just extra soft. And this is so soft. I mean, I am over the moon excited because this is more than what I thought it was going to be. The detail is so cute. I mean, look at this. Look at her arms. They're just ribbed. Oh, the brown's cute. The gold hooves. I guess that's what they're called. I'm not sure if they're, well, it's her arms, I guess, but you know, in reindeer talk, I don't know what it's called, but they're so cute. We do have this official Scentsy logo here. And then you're going to notice on her back, she does have the official Scentsy star with the gold. She's so cute. So for those of you that don't know what a buddy is, it's basically a scented stuffed animal that is great for calming one's person down. It could be a child, it could be adult. And these are great for gifts for little kids in the hospital, especially at Christmas time. Oh my goodness, just adorable. So in the back, there is going to be an opening where you can put the scent of your choice in the buddy. So I chose to go with black raspberry vanilla. This is the very first fragrance that I was exposed to as a customer and fell in love, and it is a fan favorite. So I'm going to go ahead and put her in River. Now you can pick any scent that is available within the catalog right now. At the filming of this, we're in October of 2022. Oh my gosh, I can smell it already. This is my very first scent pack as well. Oh my gosh, so good. It's very fragrant. So in here, I believe is going to be like something similar to what's in our pods, I would assume. I could be wrong, but it is a scented pack that you're gonna go ahead and put in your buddy. So I'm gonna go ahead and put her in so the fragrance can start coming, and it's just going to be an enjoyable experience. Now, for those of you that are considering getting a buddy like River or any of the other ones that we have, you do have the option of not putting the scented pack in the buddy, especially if you have a newborn and you don't want it to be exposed to different fragrances that early in his or her life. You definitely can get a buddy and then choose not to put the scented pack in. But this is going to be for me, and I'm going to love her for many, many years to come. She's so cute. Just look at this. Look at the little detail on her eyes. I mean, they even thought of giving her eyelashes. She's got her little markings. Just so cute. So this is new. It's available. Her, like I said, her name is River. So she's adorable. She's a girl. And if you choose to get River from me, or if you have another Scentsy consultant, you can ask for an adoption certificate. I do have adoption certificates available for her. And if you'd like to get a recipe for some reindeer food, I definitely can provide that for you. But everybody that purchases a River the Reindeer from me will get an adoption certificate. And I don't know about you, but I just fell in love. She is just so cute. She's my very first Scentsy buddy, and to be honest, I really don't have any adult stuffed animals. I used to have Care Bears while I was a younger girl, but I think those are still with my mom. But I never really was a stuffed animal girl, but you never know. The thrill of having a stuffed animal with Scentsy buddies may have just started. I may have just gotten myself into a little bit of trouble. But anywho, so thank you so much for watching our Wax Talk with Rebecca and our special guest, River. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. And if you like this content, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Make sure you put that bell on so you get notified when I do put new video content out. Thank you and have a wonderful day.